Achoo. Huh?
Here. You could catch a cold dressed too lightly out here.
But what about you?
No problem. I'm tough as steel. Right, Shinosuke?
Yeah, he's some kind of superhuman.
Why don't you tell her
Thanks.
how tough I really am?
ほらそんな格好じゃ風邪ひいちまうかもしんねえぞ
でもルミナさんこそ。
気にすんな俺は全然平気だからなあ銀のせ
まあなんとかは風邪ひかないってね。
あ
あ、ちょっと、